One day I visited my mother's hometown for the long time. That village surrounded by green fields and ancient trees. I heard the gentle chirping of birds. The village was calm, wrapped in the soft hum of nature. Suddenly, the silence was broken by the loud barking of our old village dog. A rooster responded with a short, cheerful. A little narrow road led the way into the village, its path soft with dust and edged with white flowers and green plants. My grandfather sat on a chair. My all grandmoms and my aunt plucking the jasmine flowers. My grandma made the mala out of the flowers and they put it in my hair. This is their favorite thing. Village is a place where you can find peace, unity, strength, inspiration, and most importantly, a natural and beautiful life.